What's crack-a-lackin', my dudes? It's me and my Ruapo, and I'm not doing too many solves today because I did an entire recording and it did not save any of it. So that's annoying. I did like 5 solves and it didn't save a single second of it. It's super annoying. I should probably do it in little bits in case something like that happens. But I don't. DNF. DNF. Another did not finish. Oh my goodness. Alright, listen. I'm doing 2 solves after this, and that's it. One of them's a DNF, then so be it. Yes! 34! Let's go! Woo! So I'm doing 2 more. I'm doing the other one. That's a new best. I just dragged my average down 2 seconds, I think. At least 1. That's still good. Well, I did better than my other times on my last recording. The times for today were 34 seconds, which is my record, and 45 seconds. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.